This is my fourth time making this video because I just keep making mistakes. So hopefully I get it right this time. I want to show you how to convert between units of measurement. Your activity is to grab 6 items from your house, measure them and record them in centimetres, then convert them to millimetres or metres. If you're working on the extension sheet, you're going to kilometres as well. Usually you wouldn't have anything in your house that is kilometres long, but just wanted to whack that on there as the extension. This is what I want you to remind you of first. The decimal shows that something is part of a number and not a whole number. So in the example that I'm going to do, 17 centimetres, I've put the decimal after there to show you this is 17 whole centimetres and there's no parts of centimetres. I'm going to show you how to use diagram up the top here to convert. Because we're going from centimetres to millimetres, we need to times this whole number by 10. You can do it like this to get your answer. The way I'm going to show you is by moving that decimal however many zeros you need to. So because we're timesing by 10, we're going to move that decimal one spot this way. So here's that question, 17 centimetres, and we want it to be millimetres, so we're going to move the decimal here and fill that 0 in. Anytime you have a space, a 0 goes there. So our answer is 170 millimetres. It's really important that you put that unit of measurement on the end of your question or your, activity, because it shows you what it's actually been measured in. So if it didn't have millimetres, we wouldn't have any idea what that 170 was. But now because it's got for millimetres, we know what that actually is. So I've done this in blue because the multiplication row is in blue. Now we're going to go the other way. We're going to convert the 17 centimetres to metres. Because we've got 2 zeros in 100, we're going to move the decimal 2 places in the direction of the arrow. So 17, here's that decimal. We're going to move it 2 places for 2 zeros. There it is there. And our answer is 0.17 metres this time. We have no whole metres. You know that 17 centimetres isn't a metre. So this shows we have no whole metres and we have 0.17 of a metre. I want to point out, if you're doing extension, you can't go from centimetres to kilometres. You've got to go through each step. So don't just look at the 5 zeros and move it 5 places. You need to go from centimetres to metres, then metres to kilometres. I think that's everything. Let's do one the other way. Let's do millimetres to centimetres. Let's do 231 millimetres, sorry. Again, whole numbers. They are whole millimetres. So the point is always, the decimal point is at the back because we've got 231 whole. Now, because I said we're going to centimetres, we're going to divide it by 10. So we're only going to move this one spot. And our answer is 23 whole centimetres and 1 millimetre. So now you can see why that decimal shows a part of a number. Okay, good luck. Message me if you need any help.